Hi divas, my divinely inspired, vivacious artists. I want to show you what came in the mail this week. Let's start with the purple envelope. I can't wait for you to see what's inside. Okay, this is from Oh Snap Cafe on Etsy, and let's see, there are some goodies inside. I just purchased these a little bit ago. Didn't take long to get here. There we go. Oh, there's goodies in here. Stickers to add to my collection. Now, I don't just collect the stickers, I use them in junk journals. And if you haven't guessed, I have a junk journal series. I am busy showing you how to make junk journals, what I do with mine, all kinds of things. So if check out the playlist, you might see something you like. So these are going to go into a junk journal coming up. Werther's Original, thank you for the candy. I can always use that. First, I see my cover minder. Can I bring it in just a little bit to show you these on a detail here? If I can see what my camera's doing. Talk about a diva in the older sense. More difficult personality, but well loved. That you recognize Lucy from the Peanuts cartoon, Psychiatric Help, 5 cents. The doctor is in. And it comes with a little magnet on the back. Of course, cover minders are for diamond painting, and it helps you hold the plastic cover back while you are working on a section. So I love Peanuts. They're my dudes, as you can see. I love you to the bookstore and back. I love my Peanuts, so I'm so glad that that came in. It looks so cute. Okay, that's instructions for that. Let's see, pretty things inside. You betcha. Here we go. Here's the other cover minder. This is gorgeous. When I saw it, I could not put it down. I can't leave an elephant unattended. There she is. Look at the brown jewels in its ears. There's black jewels for eyes. Very beautiful. Wherever she got that was really awesome. Oh, good. It has a little bit bigger magnet in the back because it's a heavy one. Nice. I really wanted to try out her scented glue dots. I've been using glue dots more often than I had before. So I'm really looking forward to these. One got a little smeared here, but this is called Snickers Cappaccino, and it smells wonderful. Just bear in mind that there's only one sheet of stickers per pack. Oh, it smells like chocolate and cappuccino. It smells wonderful. And it gives you a little bit of how to use these beautiful scented sparkly sticky dots. And it gives you a QR code at the bottom to watch a video on how to use them. How to use Oh Snap dots. Okay? Even how to use them in a multi-placer if you're so inclined. But just to let you know that when you get them, you will get one sheet of scented dots. The scent is lovely, absolutely lovely. And I'll have to let you know over time how they work for me. I will have a video up on different putties and waxes and dots and how they work for me. I'll have a test video on that coming out eventually. So keep a lookout on that. This is fun. Thank you so much. I look forward to ordering from you again, Jenny. And I have, I know I just ordered the backing for an O Snap cover minder that I didn't have before. So just bear in mind that some of the cover minders on O Snap Crafters Cafe do have a special snap backing that you have to snap it into. So I'm just testing that out now. Okay, I also got another one from O Snap that I wanted to share with you. And I had not gotten the base for one of the cover minder type things that I had gotten from them. I couldn't figure out how it works, and I wrote back and said, okay, I want this base for it. It's a snap base. It's not like, it's so that you could snap in several different types of covers to it. You have the cover minder with the disc in the back, and she has different kinds of snaps that go into this background. So if you want to keep this background on your diamond painting, you can do that and just snap in and out the variety of cover minders that you can put on there. So it was a little pricey for me for this, plus what I had already paid for the grapes that will go on this. I don't have any other ones, but I might in the future. I guess for the different ones that I get, I imagine that the price will, go down per use, but that's the way it is now. I will attempt to show a video of snapping it together and what it looks like on an actual painting at some time in the future. But I thank you so much for sending them. I do want to make sure I had gotten it right. I didn't want to say something that wasn't right. But I thank you, Jenny, for helping me out. Jenny's customer service is excellent. I didn't know what I was getting into, but she helped me, and she even helped me find the page with all the right snap bases that I wasn't aware of. I wasn't reading something right, but thank you, Jenny, so much for helping me complete the set with a little where there's original. And talk about cassette tapes. If you look at the Paint Gem, cassette tapes are right up my alley, and a little mandala sticker. So they're very pretty, very pretty. Thank you so much, Jenny, and I will. I'll add to the video by showing this to you with the grapes already attached. All right, thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye, Divas.